Welcome to Motivation Monday. Check it out. The only way out is through. There are no shortcuts to success. There's no elevator to it or anything else. You got to take the stairs and it's step by step. Money is not going to solve all your problems. You created the issue, so you're the solution for the mess. Money didn't create your problems, you did, and it's how you view in your relationship with money. If you can fix the inside of you, what's in your heart, then your world on the outside of you will change dramatically. So focus on the inside of you, how you view money, how you view food, how you view marriage, everything. Fix you, and then your circumstances around you will change immediately. If you want to learn more about this, then come over to Kingdom Housing Solution at onekingdomsolution.com. We have mentoring, coaching, business advice, federal contracting. If you're in business already and you're trying to win government contracts, come over to One Kingdom Solution and you'll talk to me directly, and I'll lead you and show you how your life can change overnight. I guarantee it.